amazing facts about Vaibhav Tattwavadi. First, Vaibhav Tattwavadi is an Indian actor and model. Second, Vaibhav Tattwavadi was born on 25th September 1988 in Amravati, Maharashtra. Third, Vaibhav Tattwavadi's school name is Somalwar High School, Nagpur. Vaibhav Tattwavadi's college name is College of Engineering, Pune. Vaibhav Tattwavadi's educational qualification is a degree in metallurgical engineering. Fourth, Vaibhav Tattwavadi made his Marathi film debut with Surajya in 2014. Fifth, Vaibhav Tattwavadi made his Bollywood debut with the adult comedy Hunter. Sixth, Vaibhav Tattwavadi's television debut happened with the TV show Discover Maharashtra. Seventh, Vaibhav Tattwavadi then had a romantic feature in Coffee आणि बरंच काही in 2015. Eighth, Vaibhav Tattwavadi closed the year with his powerful performance in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Bajirao Mastani as a Chimaji Appa. Ninth, Vaibhav Tattwavadi was seen in a number of Hindi as well as Marathi movies, including Cheater, Kana, Bhetli Tu Punna, Ready Mix, Manakarnika, The Queen of Jhansi, Tribhanga, and various others. Tenth, in the Times of India's top 20 most desirable men in Maharashtra in 2020, Vaibhav Tattwavadi was ranked 10th. Subscribe the channel.